Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make my version of the Clone Wars 2003 Obi Wan Kenobi out of LEGO. So without any further ado, let us begin. The legs and the torso come from the Minifigure pack Phase 1 Clone Trooper. For his robes, I just used two dark brown capes which came from the Mandalorian Battle Pack Mandalorians. Finally, the head and the hair come from the Ben Kenobi minifigures from the LEGO Obi Wan Kenobi sets. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now hopefully look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you are building it. Overall, I'm very happy with the way that this minifigure turned out, and I think it's a nice stand-in until we get an official one at some point, which I think is probably quite likely. If you have any ideas for any future things that I could do, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you liked this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really liked it, maybe you could subscribe. My last video was how to make a Hawkbat Battalion Clone Trooper, so maybe go check that out if you enjoyed this video.